So Mtimbani u tikombisile ku ri yena a nga chavi ka Westmatic. Or yena already for ku bifana na Westmatic because Mtimbani already humesi freestyle leyi a bifa ku Westmatic straight without ku sasekisa story or ku sasekisa beef. So ndamtlangela video ya kona before video leyiwani yena Westmatic u le ku titweni ngopfu ka Tsonga rap wa ha ri na nqondo liya ya khale liya yo Tsonga rap yi khomiwe hi Zoche, Westmatic na Mafraka. Tsonga rap yi cincile swinene ende ku na vanhu vo tala va nga na talent ka Tsonga rap anyway ya kwini Tsonga rap va nga yimela hi tindlela hinkwato. So munhu wo tikombisa ku ri yena wa yimela Tsonga rap a nga pfumeli ku deleriwa i Mtimbani. At least u humesi freestyle laha a nga kongoma straight ka Westmatic. Mafraka na Zoche mbalo humexiniwa nyana ka freestyle ya mara hava mexiniwile ku ya ku heleni. Munhu a nga bifiwa ka that video ya Mtimbani ya freestyle i Westmatic. And was deserve was deserve Westmatic ku a bifiwa because u fika la Africa a delela Tsonga rap na ti artist ta Tsonga rap even na ti producer ta Tsonga rap ti deleriwe ngopfu hi Westmatic. Everyday yena u humesa video a delela ti Tsonga rappers mara van'wani va yima na swona a nge blame ngopfu.
Amamkela hinkwenu ka revision ya hina ya Tsonga rap as masivona ku ti example ku tshuneleni so fanele hi tlanga hi tinyika nkarhi hi tirha matimba. So today revision ya hina yi ta va yi ri ka the Westmatic first law of Tsonga rap. Repeat after me. That's why I'm saying. Okay, the Westmatic first law of Tsonga rap according to the landlord equation. Equilibrium equation, not equalizer. That's why by this Tsonga rap it's a lot. So from the landlord equation is the square root of t to the power 3 s o n squared g a r a p to the power 4. Now I'm going to go more on t. From the equation is Tsonga rap. That's why I'm going to pay like t to the power 3 t times t times t. Why can the limit to the power 3? It's because of an over-tolovera, over 6 of tolovera. Over-tolovera, over 6 of tolovera. You get a bad formula.
Guys, hi nga rivali ku ri DMichaels u humesi project na yena leyi vitaniwaka Magandzelo the project. Van'wani I'm sure already se mi yingiserile and then K-Nice wa humesa ku nga ri khale project yin'wani yi vitaniwaka Pressure, even na Brace Shirimani u ri wa humesa this year. So leri ngo ka Tsonga rap ku ta nandziha nyana good music hala tlhelo beef and must tiva ku hina la ka channel swa beef hi swona hi update ku ngopfu hi swona because beef yo yi nga khoma music sweswo swi nge tsana. So hi yona video ya Westmatic yaleyo ku hava xo chuwisa kwalano. Loko ha ya mahlweni guys mi nga rivali ku ri show ya hina yi sponsoriwa hi Swash Fashion kusuka Giyani section A lava va lava ku rhungeliwa tisuti kumbe ti rock ta mcato kumbe tihembe even swa formal nje. Mi nga tihlanganisa na vona va rhunga na uniform tinambara ta vona na everything swi kona kwalano. Zoche na yena u respondini ka Facebook a ku yena u hlamala hi ti-notification na pondo a nga swi tivi ku ri u bifiwile mara ya nga bifiwanga I mean wo mexinanyana vito ra yena at the end. Mara na yena Zoche u na right yo a yimela vito ra yena because ti-video hinkwato ta Westmatic u te yena na Zoche na Mafraka va vuya gengweni mara sweswi mo hi twa Mtimbani ku ri yena ka freestyle u ri yena.
Brame Westmatic omboy nga challenge nga tekang competition ka rap ni king and utafa nga tekang position pregnancy ya siswa we fana na gig and I'm the host loko ni bifa swimbilwini cause I'm the ghost lyrically nta dlaya I reflect my rhyme nina wa Chuck Fire but you respect my time like before na me bitch stronger or brave so ngoma nisho asichayeka MP3 wave you are about to be convicted plus corrected na kumeka sure Tsonga rap is protected kuna the gay one of them is located and I'm talking about DJ West you're a bitch to me I call you DJ Wack like DJ Fag or DJ Preg what you some kind of a DJ Pets the lightning let me spit this thunder loko nibona watsutsuma I can see on to sisang loko ntakuchelela 6 feet under anibula ku ri ntakushavela 6 piece at the under now kwata buluk msisi gubuk delela ti legends to ntaku hunguk now bata juluk manongo uchuluk bakundlele baby shower tingoma nta General Muska da so baby lo karungonyuta you're the faggot a fucking phony don't act like you know me ka Facebook around chavi that's the shit that you told me now it's time to show me I don't care kunati bouncer nobody can hold me fuck your legacy bitch respect is the only thing that you owe me hey and I don't feel y'all bring my fragga bring Zocha I'm a king in this bitch motherfucker I'll kill y'all screensaver stop akwenza the content akupunda bro kanzia beat and bring that shit to the king screensaver Shalimpo don't act like you don't know what to represent I'm the king in this bitch peace.
So akuri Mtimbani yaloye akombisa Zoche kuri yena Tsonga rap wa yimela iking ya Tsonga rap mara lexi nhlamarisaka I ku white Tsonga rappers letin'wana timiyeri tile ku deleriweni ka ti video hi always meeting mara akuna response from the artist tin'wana ta Tsonga rap the only person loyi a yimela ku xitori xa yena ka hari Mtimbani so far so why ti Tsonga rappers letin'wana tinga react or tinga hlamuli nchumu kumbe va busy va endla ngoma studio to twa ngoma loko yi drop ani ma stiva ku na ti artist leta to ka tinga rasa mi to twa ngoma se drop from la so na kesa guys ku va mi joinile eka Tsonga Rap Talk Show namutlha.